Hey everyone, welcome back to Genai FOSS News. Let's kick things off with a story that's got the open source community fired up. According to Open Source for You, Mozilla has integrated Google's Play Integrity API directly into Firefox for Android. Now, here's the thing. While this verification tool is designed to control access to AI services, it's raising some serious red flags in the free and open source community. Users and custom ROM enthusiasts are concerned about device attestation and whether this move undermines Firefox's platform independence. It's a fascinating tension between security measures and the open source philosophy that's always championed user freedom and trust. We'll be watching how Mozilla addresses these concerns in the coming weeks. Moving right along, there's some genuinely exciting news from the Linux Foundation ecosystem. As reported by Open Source for You, a brand new protocol called OpenSharing, developed by Databricks, is expanding how organizations can safely exchange AI models, agent skills, and enterprise data. Think of it as building on Delta sharing, but turbocharged for the AI era. What makes this significant is that it works seamlessly across cloud environments, on-premises setups, and multi-platform deployments. This is the kind of infrastructure innovation that can accelerate AI adoption across industries while maintaining interoperability. It's a win for enterprises that want flexibility without vendor lock-in. Now, let's talk about something that security teams need to pay attention to right now. Researchers at Cyra have uncovered 6 serious vulnerabilities in the widely used open-source protobuf.js library, and they're calling it Proto 6. According to Open Source for You, these flaws in schema handling could enable remote code execution, denial of service attacks, and even supply chain compromises across Node.js environments, AI systems, and cloud infrastructure. This is particularly concerning because protobuf.js is so foundational. It's used in countless projects. If you're running services that depend on this library, checking for updates should be on your priority list immediately. The fact that these vulnerabilities affect AI and cloud infrastructure makes this especially critical in today's environment. Here's something really cool that could reshape how AI systems process documents. Open Source for You is reporting that ABBYY, IBM, NVIDIA, Red Hat, Human Signal, and the LF AI and Data Foundation have just launched DocLang, a new open standard designed to give AI systems a common language for understanding enterprise documents. What's the big deal? Well, documents like Word files and PDFs weren't originally built with AI in mind, which makes them messy for machine processing. DocLang is designed to bridge that gap, improving interoperability while dramatically reducing processing complexity. This is vendor neutral, which means it could become a real game changer for enterprises dealing with document-heavy workflows. If you're working with document processing and AI, this is definitely worth exploring. Let's shift gears to the AI policy conversation. According to Open Source for You, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang has come out strongly in support of open-source AI models like DeepSeek, R1. His argument? Restricting these models could actually hurt the entire AI ecosystem. Huang believes that open-source AI accelerates application development and strengthens overall demand across the entire AI technology stack. This is significant because Huang is one of the most influential voices in the tech industry, and his endorsement of open-source approaches sends a powerful message to policymakers. He's essentially saying that openness breeds innovation, and that innovation benefits everyone, including companies like NVIDIA. It's a fascinating perspective from the enterprise side of the equation. Software developers, pay attention to this one. As reported by Open Source for You, Xiaomi has released MiMo Code version 0.1.0 as an open-source AI coding agent under the MIT license. What makes this particularly interesting is that it features persistent memory, the ability to maintain context across long software development projects. That means fewer workflow interruptions when you're working on complex code over extended periods. The fact that it's MIT licensed means developers get genuine freedom to use, modify, and extend the tool. This is the kind of open-source contribution that directly enhances developer productivity. If you're interested in AI-assisted coding tools that respect your freedom to modify and redistribute, this is definitely worth checking out on GitHub. Computer vision enthusiasts, OpenCV has just dropped a major release. According to Open Source for You, OpenCV 5 features a completely rebuilt deep neural network engine with native support for large language models and vision language models, including GPT, Gemma, and Qwen. What's really impressive is the expanded ONNX compatibility, which means better cross-platform AI inference across Intel, ARM, Qualcomm, and even RISC-V hardware. This positions OpenCV as more than just a computer vision library. It's evolving into a comprehensive AI inference framework. If you're working with computer vision or AI inference pipelines, upgrading to OpenCV 5 could unlock significant new capabilities and performance optimizations. Finally, let's wrap up with some productivity tool updates. Its FOSS is reporting that OnlyOffice DocSpace 3.7 has added AI-powered file generation capabilities, plus support for DeepSeek, XAI, and Google AI. The release also includes a revamped form-filling experience. Meanwhile, Collabora's Code 26.04 release, the experimental online office suite, is getting AI tools integrated across all 3 editors, making it potentially one of their biggest releases yet. What we're seeing here is a clear trend. Open-source office suites are rapidly integrating AI capabilities to keep pace with proprietary competitors. For users who want office productivity tools that respect their data and open-source principles, these updates show the ecosystem is moving in the right direction.